Okay guys, welcome back. So this is our last question for the show. It is going to be a wildcard question. Before we carry on, I just want to say another thank you to Liberty for sponsoring the show. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the show. It really is a great show. Just a quick reminder, all the career videos, the introduction videos, all the content that you see also in the hour before the show is available on our app that you can download on Android and iOS. It is free of charge. Okay guys, so let's get back into the show. We're going to have a wild card and let's have a look at what this wild card has to say.
Hi from the Tenpol team. My name is Musa Ngosi. Please help me with the following trigonometric equation.
Calculus is the key to interpret the language of mathematics.
Okay guys, so as you can see, this is a wild card, not on analytical geometry, it is on trigonometry. And this question was from Musa. Thank you for that question, Musa. This is a trig identity. Let's have a look at what the question says. So guys, we have the following. It says here that prove that 1 minus cos 2x minus sine x divided by sine 2x minus cos x is equal to tan of x. Okay guys, so what we have over here, we've got a trig question and it says that we've got to prove that the one side is equal to the other side. Now when it comes to things like this, in an exam or test, you always start on the more complicated side of the equation. And that in this case is going to be my left hand side. So if I do this, we're going to get the following. We're going to get my left hand side is going to be equal to all of this, and I'm just going to continue writing that. So what we want to do over here is we've got cos 2x and sine of x. So we've got a double angle identity here, guys, and it's cos double angle. Now I know that when you get to cos double angles, you're like, oh no, what do I do? I've got three types of identities. Which one am I going to choose? Well, there are little signs or little clues in the question as to which one you've got to use. In our question over here, in our numerator, we've only got sine in our numerator. So that means we've got to use our sine identity to try and make some sort of trinomial or some sort of, we can cancel out some sign. So that's what we're going to do over here. We're going to say then that 1 minus cos of 2x, now I'm going to use my sine identity, which is going to be 1 minus 2 sine squared x. Okay guys, your identities are on the formula sheet. We're then going to divide that by sine 2x. Now that is another identity, a double angle. It's going to be 2 sine x multiplied by cos of x minus cos of x. Okay guys, so if you have a look over here, we're then going to have 1 minus 1, no more ones. We're going to have negative multiplied by negative 2 sine x, and that's going to get me 2 sine squared x minus sine of x. Okay, we're then going to divide this by our denominator, and we're going to take out a cos straight away. We're going to take out cos x. We're left with 2 sine of x minus 1. Okay, so if we carry on over here, oh damn, the screen is giving us a little bit of problems now. No worries. If we factorize my numerator, we can take out another sign. We have sine x. We have then 2 sine x minus 1. And this is all divided by, let's see if I can, there we go, it's working now. Cos x and 2 sine x minus 1. Okay guys, so at this point over here, you can see nicely that a term in my numerator is divided by my term in my denominator. Okay guys, so when it comes to this, picking the identity is really crucial. But let's say you don't pick the right one the first time. It's not a problem. What you can do is you can carry on with your left-hand side or right-hand side of the equation, and then you can actually substitute another identity back in that you think might help you. Okay, remember those three identities? It's quite difficult to choose, but there are those little clues that can help you. So if we carry on, guys, there's another identity over here, sine x divided by cos x. And this is going to then be equal to tan of x. And if we go up to the top over here, we have that my whole formula is equal to tan of x. So that means that my left-hand side is equal to my right-hand side. So we can then say left-hand side is equal to my right-hand side. and that is proven. Okay, guys, I've seen this many times in a test. If you guys can't prove it, you just go right to the end of the step and say left-hand side equals right-hand side. Guys, teachers are not stupid. They're not going to give you the marks for just writing left-hand side equals right-hand side. So just take the time and attempt to prove this, little identity that we've been given to you. Hey guys, so that brings us to another end of a great show. I really want to say thank you to Liberty for sponsoring the show. They've really done an awesome job. Guys, a reminder of the app. I really love this app. Okay, there's assessments on here that help you to go in before a cycle test or before an exam. It really helps you just test your skills and everything before you write your final tests and exams. If you are in grade 10 or grade 11, there is content on the app for you as well. And you can also watch the show because, like I mentioned in the beginning of the show, there are parts, especially with analytical geometry, that require grade 10 maths and grade 11 maths with the circles, but that will help you when you go into matric next year. Okay guys, so that's the end. I really want to say thank you for watching another great show. We're going to be back on Monday from 5 to 6. Guys, have a good weekend and we'll see you again.